Hello guys, if you want the Hostinger coupon code 2026 and the lowest possible price, watch this for 2 minutes. It will save you money. First, important, use the link in the description. Without this link, the discount may not show at checkout. A lot of people miss this and end up paying more. Now once you're on the page, you'll see different hosting options. If you're confused, just go with web hosting. It's perfect for beginners, bloggers, and most websites. Scroll down and pick your plan. Quick tip. Don't just pick randomly. The most popular plan usually gives the best balance of price and features. Now click on Choose Plan. This is where most people make a mistake, so watch carefully. You'll land on the order summary page. Here you can select your billing period, 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. If you want the maximum discount, go for at least 12 months. Monthly plans look cheap, but they actually cost more in the long run. Now check this. You'll already see a discount applied automatically. That's because you used my link. It unlocks a Hostinger discount code 2026 instantly. Click on Continue. Enter your email and create your password. Then you'll go to the payment page, complete your payment. And that's it. Within a few minutes, you'll get your email confirmation and your hosting will be ready to use. Just like that. You've claimed the Hostinger coupon code 2026 and got the best deal available right now. If you don't use the link, you might not get this discount, so make sure you use it.